Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're going to talk about Metalands NFT. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, so this is the website of Metalands. You can access it by going to metalands.gg. As per the website, it is a competitive shooter game with blockchain integration. It has partnered with Unity, non-fungible token, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Marvel Studio. It is combining the team deathmatch and battle royale gameplay together, bringing a progressive deathmatch. It is a shooter game that enables the players out there to collect the resources from the gameplay. They can build their bunker from scratch. They can also manage content from within their bunker. You can earn resources as a player in form of mystical objects, which are then exchanged for chests containing different items in the game. So essentially, you play, collect, and build. They also have a bunker management ecosystem with monetization feature into it. So bunker is a virtual environment that would act as a central hub for the players out there so that they can deploy game nodes, purchase items, create alliances. They can also craft new items. So you can develop your bunker with the artwork, mini games, in-bunker items, and many other forms of content with different monetization features. This game is entirely backed by blockchain, and it is based in this complete player-owned economy. All the weapons, in-bunker items, weapon skins, character outfits, and the other airdrops items are non-fungible items, meaning NFTs that can be withdrawn, staked, gifted, traded on the secondary marketplace. The NFTs can also be used as a collateral on various decentralized finance protocols. You can earn loot, blueprints, you can craft fuel, and also in-game currencies while you're engaging with multiple players out there, and also single player game modes. You can sell crafted items to the other players out there, or you can use them just to enhance your gaming experience. It's also a strategy based alliances, so you can build alliances with the other players out there. You can help each other to grow in the rank, resources, crafting speed, and strength. And through the teamwork, you can also be unstoppable, but also you have to watch out for the other alliances as well. Here is a screenshot of the game, what you can expect within the game, just a good way to have an idea of what you are going for. They also have an application that is still coming soon, which you can download and you can launch the Metalands on it. They have partnered with multiple platforms over here. As you can see, we have Chainlink, we have Metabase, so that's really good. Here's the roadmap of the company. In the phase 1, which is the development phase, the demo will be released. The bunker customizations, bunker design competition, marketing and partnership and integration will be the focus. In phase 2, there will be like full alpha release, the launcher auto updater application. There will be updates that bring a total of 4 game modes across 4 different maps, full bunker integration, introduction of reward pass to P2E. There will be full NFT integration with the marketplace, dev streams and events, and also the marketing will be the focus. In phase 3, the beta version would be released. There will be more maps, more bunkers, weapons and gears, in-game crafting system, mini games, competitive playlist, initial introduction of the protocols, community game content creator NFTs, in-game item rental system, and marketing. In the phase 4, the content updates shall continue, esport tournaments and events, Metalands in-game battle pass, limited testing lab game, marketing, initial open world introduction, mobile alpha version release. So that's a bit about the roadmap of the company and how they plan to grow and scale the project. So the point 1 would be the shooter game. So essentially you can compare it to CSGO, COD, or Valorant, but it is more like a blockchain version of it. So here's a little graphic that shows the insight into the game just to understand what you can expect. When it comes to bunker system, here's a little video that shows what to expect. It's a virtual space and a central hub for the players out there. So players would start from scratch to build their bunker from the resources that they are gonna earn in this game, and it will be gathered on the open world map map as well, and players can also invite the other people out there into their bunker, and they can monetize this entire experience as well. The next thing I want to show you guys is a little video that explains the crafting system. So players out there can craft their own weapons, skins, and other accessories using blueprint and resources. So if you want to craft like a new gun, you will need the blueprint of the gun and the some amount of iron, wood, and the crafting fuel, which can be done like so. And also it's a multiplayer game, and unlike the other games out there, they will also have clans, and the Metalands alliance system is going to be based on a strategy based system. Everybody out there can join, create an alliance. They can earn the alliance coins for themselves and their alliance to upgrade the alliance fort as well. Alliance can also battle against the other alliances out there in an open world battle royale style. They will also have character outfit design contest, so that's really exciting. And apart from that, there will be liquidity mining and Polygon network to earn this CFI. Some of the core features I want to quickly point out is shooting, bunker customization, weapon crafting, character customization, multiplayer, open world, single player, which collects resources to craft new weapons, gears, and develop your own bunker. You can also have play to earn and mint your own reward pass using the CFI token. There will be alliance war where multiplayer gameplay would happen between different alliances. So that's in a nutshell about what you can expect in this game. It's basically a free to play shooter game with NFT integration. It is based on PC first, later mobile, and Metalands is an action-packed game that enables the players out there to fight against other players in a 5v5 game mode and against NPC in an open world environment where players collect resources like animal skin, wood, stone, gold, iron, and other materials for crafting. And items crafted are basically NFT, which can be moved from in-game to wallet for external trade out there. And unlike the other blockchain games, you can also play Metalands for free without purchasing any NFT, but to enable kind of like the full potential of earning, you will need a reward passport. A little bit about the economy. So Metaland operates using the Citizen Finance CFI token, and there are two projects that use the token: Metalands, which is a shooter game, and a Center Fee, which is a decentralized finance application with DEX aggregator and NFT marketplace. The Center Fee team is currently working on tokenizing real estate in Dubai, where the CEO lives, and all the transactions will be carried out in the CFI token. So Metaland operates using Citizen Finance CFI token, and there are two projects that use the token. There is Metalands, which is a shooter game, and a Center Fee, which is a decentralized finance application with DEX aggregator and NFT marketplace. The Center Fee team is currently working on tokenizing real estate in Dubai, where the CEO lives, and all the transactions will be carried out in the CFI token. However, Metaland operates two in-game currencies. So we have Meta and X Meta. Both in-game currencies are earned through gameplay, but only X Meta can be converted to CFI token. The team has also introduced a reward pass, which is a passport for all the players out there who hold Earn X Meta. The team introduced reward pass, which is a passport for all the players to hold to earn X Meta, and each passport has a monthly quota and can be only minted using the CFI token. There are also various ways in which you can earn on Metaland. So you have gameplay, you have events, you can create your own weapon skin and character outfit to sell, and this is going to be like an ongoing skin outfit design contest. The winner would earn 30% of all the sales that are generated from the skin. There will be bunker activities where like host events, ads, mini games, and many others. You can sell resources on Alliance, you can sell resources to Alliance, you can trade items on secondary marketplace, and there are so many actual various ways you can use to earn money on the Metalands. While Metalands is not the only one providing utilities for CFI token, it has a certain number of utilities for CFI, which is also going to help the token. CFI has a total supply of these many tokens right now, and it is based on Polygon and Binance Smart Chain, and you can purchase both the token from Santa Fe DEX, and also you can participate in the Polygon LP farming ongoing with more than 400% APR. Metaland also has several use cases for CFI. You can mint it for reward pass, you can do loot box campaign battle pass, secondary market trading, minting of weapon skin, character outfit. You can purchase X Meta with discount, you can create NFT gallery on your bunker, and everybody out there is basically given a free bunker as well. You can also use this D app if you want to buy and have access to CFI token. And here's the Twitter page of Metalands. They do have a following of 14.7k members. And here's the Telegram channel of the Citizen Finance, which you can check it out and participate in it. This is a good way to actually stay updated with the account, with the project, what they are working on. Overall, Metaland has a lot of potential as the team kind of continues to build the very first action-packed game on this blockchain. Demo is coming out as well this month, and I feel that right now is the best time to enter the current dip. So definitely check it out. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day ahead, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.